Hey, this is Rick and welcome back to another review. I don't know about you guys, but I have charger cables coming out the wazoo for my cell phone, for my small media devices, and I recently ran into a problem with my cell phone connector getting damaged, so I wasn't able to transfer over my media files. Right now I'm actually filming via my cell phone, and it's the only thing I have right now on a low budget YouTube business right now. It's all I can afford. So I use my phone for everything. So plugging that cord in and out of the phone periodically has apparently damaged my USB port. My phone's just over a year old, so LG's not going to do anything about it. My cell phone provider isn't going to do anything about it. So it frustrated me. I had to order another phone, and you know how they cost a lot of money. Hi buddy, it's my cat Leo down here talking. But they have little tabs on there and they break off because they're made poorly, and they either damage the end of the connector or they damage the charging data port on your phone. So that's what happened to me. So now I contacted a company on eBay and they have another solution for us, and I'm going to try it out and see how it works out. And the only way I can use the phone is I have to keep taking my back off of my protector, remove the battery, and have to take out my SD card, take the SD card out, slide it into an SD card reader, and then read it through my computer, and that's a hassle. So that's the reason why I had to order another phone, or I'm going to have to purchase a separate camera. Even though these phones these days work just like a camera, their resolution is even better than some of the cameras that are out on the market right now. So anyway, this is the solution now. Instead of using one of these, you can order either the adapter that's going to go on the end of this, or you can order the actual charge cable with a magnetic adapter. This came from eBay. The seller is global/market98, and they're on eBay. You can look up their products. And it says USB data transmit and charging cable. So this will actually transmit data and also be able to use as a charging cable. This is going to stop us from having to keep removing the charging cable out of the port. We'll open this up and take a look at it. And there it is. I got the gold cable, which is approximately, looks to be about 3 feet. There's the connector that goes into your phone. And there's the USB port that will go to your computer or to a 110 charging adapter. The thing that's going to be unique about this is, if you can see in there, there's a little connector there. Now what that connector does, open that up, finger's a little big for this packaging. You can see right there, it's got little connector ports right there. Now this end is going to go into your phone, into the USB data charging port. And this is the other end of it. So this will go into your phone. We'll reverse it like that. It's going to slide right in just like the regular cable does. And this will be sticking out of the back of your phone a little bit. Now what the premise is once this other end of the port goes on there, it's magnetic. Now you don't have to keep sliding this piece in and out of your phone. This stays in your phone. And that is strong. They show a picture online that you can actually hang your phone by this, that it's that strong, that magnet. And that magnet is pretty strong. I'm trying to pull on it. It also has a little indicator light here, an LED I believe, that'll light up when it's charging or you have data transmission. It's made by, looks like Elough, looks like almost like an internet E, and LOUGH. And it's very strong magnet on there. So that will stop us from damaging our ports. So here I can show how it works. This is my new phone, the LG Elough E04. I just got it in, so I'm going to attach this into the video now. Like I said, my port was damaged on my other one, so I can now film with that one, and I'll show you with the new one. So you take your adapter out of the magnetic holder here on the end, and then you slip it into the charging data port on your phone. Fingers are a little big. You slide it in like that. Now see, that's almost flush with my case, so it's not going to hang on to anything. And then the other end of the adapter magnetically goes on like that. And it's on there strong. Let me show you again. And that way your charge connector won't be damaged. If you drop your phone, this will just snap off there without breaking the little tabs off your charger cable or inside your phone so that you damage your port. Now I'll go ahead and I'll plug it into my USB, and there we go. It was recognized by the computer. I can go into the settings and either transfer data or keep it as a charger. There's a little light on right there showing you that it is working. Now, as per the recommendations of the manufacturer, they said don't pull it out because you're liable to pull the adapter out of the phone. It's not going to hurt anything, but you don't want to have to keep pushing it in and out. You just break this at a slight angle and it comes right off. See? And every time I put it in, you'll hear it recognized by the computer and the phone. Try one out. I mean, they're like $8. I'm going to spin the camera around so you can see the site of the seller. This is the site of the seller right there. And you can see for like $8.50. I mean, under $10, you can't beat it. It does have a nice braided cable on there that looks like it's going to hold up over time. Links for this product will be at the bottom of my description page on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share my videos. Take care.